Some cleaning tools don't just reduce effort, they quietly change the way you handle everyday mess. And once you get used to that kind of convenience, it's hard to go back. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we are looking at the Airthereal T1 Touchless Vacuum Automatic Dustpan with 2 operation modes, ultra-fast and powerful corded canister vacuum with 20 kilopascals, 1500 watt max suction, designed for sweeping salon spaces, pet hair, kitchen debris, and everyday home cleaning. This is not a traditional vacuum in the usual sense. It is more of an assisted cleaning system designed to work alongside your sweeping routine. If you deal with frequent floor mess, pet shedding, or want a more effortless way to manage daily dust, this product is worth understanding. The purchase link is in the description. Let's go into how it actually performs in real use. Reason 1. The most defining aspect is its touchless automatic dustpan system. Using infrared sensing, the unit detects sweeping motion and activates automatically in floor mode. This removes the need to bend down or manually operate a dustpan, which may seem small, but in daily repetitive cleaning, it significantly improves comfort and speed. It creates a more fluid cleaning routine rather than a stop-start process. Reason 2. The dual operation modes add practical flexibility. Floor mode is designed for automatic dust collection, while tool mode allows manual hose use for more controlled cleaning in corners or tighter areas. This separation of modes ensures that the product adapts to different cleaning scenarios instead of forcing a single method. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this versatility is often highlighted for both home and light professional use. Reason 3. With 20 kilopascals suction power and a 1500 W motor, the performance is focused on fast pickup of dust, hair, and debris directly from sweeping action. The goal here is not deep carpet extraction, but efficient surface-level collection. In real-world use, this helps maintain cleaner floors with less effort during routine cleaning rather than occasional heavy cleaning sessions. Reason 4. The HEPA F8 filtration system, combined with an activated carbon filter, adds another layer of practicality. It captures fine particles as small as 0.3 microns, helping reduce airborne dust during operation. While it is not a medical-grade air purifier, it does contribute to a cleaner environment during cleaning tasks, especially in enclosed indoor spaces. Reason 5. Ease of use is one of its strongest advantages. The sensor bin allows direct disposal of debris without bending, which makes it particularly helpful for seniors or users with mobility limitations. The large control panel and simplified maintenance system also reduce friction in long-term use, making it feel more like a routine assistant than a complex appliance. Now, to keep this balanced, it is important to understand its limitations. This is not a cordless portable vacuum, nor is it designed for deep carpet cleaning or full house vacuuming. It performs best as a supporting cleaning station for hard floors and daily debris management. So, who is this best for? It is well suited for busy households, pet owners, salon environments, kitchens with frequent mess, and users who prefer minimizing physical strain during cleaning. It makes the most sense in spaces where sweeping is already part of the routine. In the final verdict, the Airthereal T1 stands out because it rethinks a very simple task, sweeping, and reduces the effort behind it. It does not replace your entire cleaning system, but it improves a specific part of it in a meaningful way. If that approach fits your needs, you can explore more through the link in the description. The right choice is usually the one that makes your daily routine easier without changing how you live.